a very small video and I don't have to explain so much about this. 3 carbon zinc batteries in series together. It's approximately 4.5 volts and they drive the LED unit. A bunch of white LEDs. White LEDs in general work between approximately 3.5 volts and 4 volts, 4.7 volts. And well, that's more or less all to tell. Thanks for watching. Of course you can buy such a lantern for a very small amount. Say €3, €5, $5, $4, etc. etc. But I wanted to show it because it could be interesting. Thanks for watching. I want to demonstrate how it works. Vier slides. Very easy to make, by the way. Good contacts, good galvanic contacts between the batteries are essential. Otherwise, it will not work properly.